Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying essentials. Check the Apple TV model and update TV OS so features match. Make sure your iPhone is on the same Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth enabled, because AirPlay Discovery uses both. Once done, confirm you're signed into the same Apple ID on iPhone and Apple TV. This prevents pairing prompts and permission issues. Now open Control Center on your phone and keep the Apple TV home screen visible. These are the first actionable steps to make the connection quick and reliable. Next, initiate AirPlay by tapping Screen Mirroring in Control Center and selecting your Apple TV. This starts the handshake process. If the TV displays a 4-digit code, enter it on your iPhone to confirm the secure connection. Make sure to adjust Apple TV display and audio settings so mirroring uses the correct resolution and sound output. This avoids lag or stretched images. Once mirrored, interact with apps and videos normally. Adjusting orientation or pausing will reflect instantly on the TV. To finish, stop mirroring in Control Center or end playback on your iPhone. That cleanly releases the Apple TV. If the Apple TV doesn't appear, restart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices, then reboot the Apple TV. This clears transient discovery faults. Make sure both devices are truly on the same network and that guest or VLAN isolation isn't blocking discovery. That's a common hidden issue. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID on both devices to refresh permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.